Hey girl, so we are back, honey, and you love Wonder Hair Cream, and I need you to relate with the people, let them know your story and how it works for you.
Okay, so I mean, I've been suffering with a flaky scalp for years. I want to say it started right around the time I got pregnant with my son, and ever since then, I've tried everything under the sun, from henna to apple cider vinegar rinses to going to the dermatologist and getting those dry shampoos that make your hair feel like brittle broomsticks, to doing all kinds of unnatural stuff, steams and oils and Ayurvedic herbs and all kinds of stuff, but nothing gets my scalp right like this Wonder Hair Cream. On top of that, it has like natural ingredients in it, like tea tree oil that my hair loves, but it's not too strong like other tea tree oil products or like Silcium Blue or other dandruff products that might be a little bit, irritable and things like that. I don't have to worry about that with the Wonder Hair Cream because it's natural enough and it's light enough for me to use every day. And I continue to use it because it works. It works and a little goes a long way. So I think it's one of the products that I keep in my arsenal all the time. And I got to keep my eye on it because my family and friends be trying to snatch it up because they see what it's done for me. My friends
Girl.
know. They know how I've suffered with this scalp. And it has never been this clear before I
Hello,
found Wonder Hair
girl.
Cream. So
Yay, thank you.
thank you.